What I typically explain to the employees is I give them the 3 rules of what not to foam roll first. Don't foam roll the lower back, so anything below the rib cage, don't foam roll, because it creates these shearing forces and these little micro movements that may create some instability and some pain. We don't foam roll behind the knee because there's not really a lot of tissue and there's blood vessels and nerves behind the knee that we don't want to aggravate. And then we just stay away from the neck, okay? You spend about 30 seconds on each muscle, focus on the joints, the muscles and the joints above and below the affected joints. So if we're having lower back pain, think about working the hips and the mid back to keep those moving and doing their job so that we can take some stress off the lower back. If it's the knee, we want to think about the hip and the ankle. So the first thing that we have that we talked through about how to foam roll is the calf. I have them put the foam roller on the calf, keep the leg straight. I have a flat foot here, which is going to do most of the work of moving the foam roller back and forth. Okay, 30 seconds there, and then I'll have them put on the hamstring, and I'll have them work both on the calf and the hamstring on different parts of the muscle of the on the foam roller by moving the leg in or pointing the toe out and in to make sure that we're hitting different aspects of the muscle. Then for the glute, I'll have them lean to one side, whatever glute they want to foam roll. They can keep the leg straight, that's less pressure. If they need more pressure, they'll bring that downside leg, whatever leg you're rolling to, on top of the knee. And then mid back here, arms overhead, glutes off the ground. Now you can make modifications. If someone's like, this really hurts, just have them keep their glutes on the ground.
Yeah.
Okay, so it takes less pressure off that. But ideally, most of these people are going to be able to do this, and then the quad. Bring the outside leg up, kind of like this. And back and forth. Good.